In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of BambooHR. If you're switching computers, using a shared device, or simply want to make sure your session is secure, logging out completely is always a good idea. To log out, first head over to your BambooHR account. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a menu will appear. From the options, click on Log Out. You'll immediately be logged out of your account and redirected to the BambooHR login page. Now, if you've used someone else's device or you want to make sure no data or cookies remain saved in your browser that could trigger an automatic login next time, you can clear your browsing data related to BambooHR. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu, then scroll down and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Third-Party Cookies section and click on it. Continue scrolling until you see the option See All Site Data and Permissions. Click on that, and a list of all websites that have stored data on your browser will appear. Here, either scroll or use the search bar to find BambooHR.com. Once you locate it, click on the trash bin icon next to it and then confirm by clicking Delete. This will remove all cookies and stored data for BambooHR, ensuring your login session is completely cleared. The next time you visit the site, it will ask for your credentials again, keeping your account secure. And that's how you can log out of BambooHR safely and completely.